our beautiful and diverse home we call planet Earth. But she is struggling under a sea of plastic. I've been coming to this beautiful coastline near Kimmeridge in Dorset for the last 10 years with my family. But we've been becoming more and more concerned with the amount of plastic and rubbish we've been finding on these pristine beaches over the years, especially plastic and ropes from old fishing boats. A balloon, plastic balloon. This is just within a few meters. Plastic bottles, a plastic pipe, another plastic bottle. For the past 40 years, I've enjoyed sailing around the south coast of the UK in various boats. But I want to set myself a real challenge. I want to sail around the whole of the UK in this plastic kayak. It's a very capable machine, but it's very small and very wet. It will need to carry me the 2,500 miles around the coastline. My journey will start off in Southampton, heading west, and I will travel around the whole entire UK in approximately 30 days. Just using wind power and paddle power, I will cruise around the UK, stopping off most nights on different beaches along the way, and sometimes into ports where I'll actually sleep on board the kayak. It will become my home for 30 days and 30 nights. So one of the things I'm hoping to do as I sail around England in this kayak, it's a plastic kayak by the way, and the irony of the whole thing is I'm here to come to beaches like this, which are just kind of really untouched by man. You can't really get here unless you're by boat. And it's just finding things like this, plastic. You know, here we are, a big plastic bucket just sitting on the beach. There's bottles, there is sweet wrappers, crisp packets and things like that. So I just want to go around the UK and find as many pieces of plastic and date them. I want to find the date that's on the plastic bottle and do a little kind of survey as to how old some of this plastic is that's washing up on these beautiful shores around the UK. A lid, a shoe, a crock. To undertake a trip like this takes a lot of planning and unfortunately a bit of expense. So I'm currently looking for anybody who could sponsor me, maybe a company or a business who would like to be able to be involved in this project, and together we can see if we can try and tackle the endless problem of plastic on our shores. Thank you for watching.